let's get started without any delay. As JavaScript is a powerful and widely used programming language that is essential for creating dynamic and interactive web applications. If you want to become a proficient JavaScript developer, there are few tips and best practices you can follow to improve your skills and stay up to date with the latest advancements in the language. So the first tip would be master fundamentals. The first step to becoming good in JavaScript is to master the fundamentals of the language. This includes understanding the syntax, data types, control structure, functions, and object oriented programming concepts. Make sure you have a solid grasp of these core concepts before moving on to more advanced topics. Second would be practice, practice, and practice. As we say, practice makes a man perfect. So, as with any skill, practice is essential to becoming good in JavaScript. Write code every day and challenge yourself to build increasingly complex applications. Look for coding exercises and challenges online and participate in coding communities like GitHub or Stack Overflow to get feedback on your code and learn from other developers. So as learn from other developer, we can refer to that. Learning from other developers is a great way to improve your JavaScript skills. How? Attend meetups and conferences. Participate in online communities and read blogs and tutorials written by experienced developers. You can also contribute to open source projects to learn from other developers and gain valuable experience. Fourth would be stay up to date. As JavaScript is constantly evolving. So, with new features and updates being released regularly, stay up to date with the latest developments in the language and keep an eye on emerging trends and best practices. So you should do follow blogs and social media accounts of industry leaders to stay informed about the latest news and advancements in JavaScript. So fifth tips would be use tools and frameworks. So as you have grasped basic knowledge and you have also practiced, so now the tip would be using tools and frameworks can help you become more efficient and productive in JavaScript development. Learn how to use popular tools and frameworks like Node.js, React, Angular, and Vue.js. Familiarize yourself with the best practices and guidelines for each tool and framework and incorporate them into your workflow, right? So, sixth and final tip would be developing problem solving skills is essential to becoming a good JavaScript developer. How? Practice breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable tasks and work on developing efficient and effective solutions. Learn how to debug and troubleshoot your code and use tools like logging the value and debugging tools. We should always use debugging tools as much as possible to identify and fix errors. So let's come back to the conclusion of this video. So becoming a good JavaScript developer takes time. It's not a work of a day or two, and effort and dedication. By mastering the fundamentals, practicing regularly, learning from others, staying up to date, using tools and frameworks, and developing problem solving skills, you can become a proficient JavaScript developer and create amazing applications that enrich the web. So that's it for the day. We'll connect again to the next day. So stay tuned to get latest update and all the videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you so much. See you next time.